Yesterday, guys, after hitting our bullish targets, the price uh, uh, hit our bullish targets. After that, the price came down again. So, guys, the question remains: what are we going to do? It it broke the support. After breaking that support, the price came lower. Now it is stalling at this area. So, guys, the question remains: what are we going to do? And let's get rid of all of this. So, guys, let's start with the daily. On the daily chart, guys, we need to remember, guys, we are in a clear bearish trend, no doubt about that. So it means the strength is with the bears. We are bearish. Coming down to the 4H, guys, we are obviously bearish as well, guys. All we had was a correction after turning this resistance area into support area into resistance. We are coming back down again. So no doubt there as well. On the 1H as well, guys, we are bearish, but I am expecting an NC correction on the euro. Correction. That is, we are bearish. So I would like to look for similarities in the pound and the euro because it is almost always correlated. But on the pound, guys, I would wait. I could start buying it right now, but I would like to wait for a breakout to the upside and a breakout to the downside. This is a much better approach for today because the price is consolidating. And if we are going to continue, guys, we will break below this. And if we are going to go in for a correction, guys, we will be breaking above it. And once we do break above it, guys, in my opinion, guys, we will be going for two targets. The first one, guys, would be 1.32554, and the second one, guys, would be 1.32892. And guys, if we break below this, I think we will be easily going for the low at 1.31603. So let's just wait for a breakout. Much better to do that because, guys, we've had this big move, and these two candles, these two 1H candles, give me an indication the price wants to do a correction. But the problem is, guys, the price is not going to do a correction unless it makes a breakout to the upside. And until and unless, guys, we get that confirmation, at least on the 15 minutes, guys, we cannot start buying this, especially when it's against the trend. And we cannot start selling it yet, guys, just to be safe. So I would want a break below 1.32007. And guys, my second bearish target, guys, would be, let me look at the daily chart. And this is, guys, my second target. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make a lot of money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow.